think you're on there. You might want to.
He's not looking here, though. He's looking at the tunnel at the moment.
Yeah.
Probably waiting for it.
Come on, Staggles, you can do it.
Yeah, he's just making sure Chris gets there.
Is that Chris behind him?
Yeah.
Chris was still on. I thought he had already made it over. Imagine that one's going to be a tough one for Cowgirl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he's trying to flex because it's trying to get your legs from under you.
Chris seemed to like the zipline part.
He did?
Yay! You did it just like the rest of us.